like a syllable. How much you bench? I hit 3 plates. M6 with the roses. I might do like a cardio live. Black sock are for suitizes. That is correct. There's only 9. Alan, appreciate the follow. Oh shit, I didn't miss it. I don't know, Spence, did I ask how you're doing? We're gonna send one. One thing I'm lacking right now is a freaking shower. That's oilless. Carlos, John, Leo. Thank you guys so much. Means a lot. Peace out, everybody. Carlos. Mike's so lighting up. W. Who wants to see what, Marlon? But yeah, we got, how many houses? 1 house today, we got 3 tomorrow. Marlon with the legs. What are you making? We are making sweet potato. Hey, appreciate you, Mike.
That's crazy. Let's do some CrossFit. Let's do it.
Word.
The viewers are down.
Unfollow me on TikTok.